How you feel? Huh?
Oh my God! Can you believe it? This is the highest in Southeast Asia. I love to be on top of the mountain.
Welcome to Indochina. We are now on top of Fansipan Mountain, 3,147 meters above sea level. It's windy, it's cold, and it's definitely breathtaking. So definitely worth all the steps. So let's say all the cable cars.
Yes, I'm here, the breathtaking city, Sapa.
Is it a good idea to walk on a shaky 100 meters above the ground? I don't know. But if you're in Sapa, go here and do it for the adrenaline.
We're down here at the heart of Sapa. It's a whole different vibe. Colorful markets, cozy coffee shop, and if you're into fresh air and hot pot, it's the place for you.
And this, my friends, is real freedom. Driving with a motorbike on the narrow streets of Sapa. Every turn is a new view and every pump is a new memory. Let's go! You want to know some more facts about that cable car?
Of course, tell me.
It has a Guinness World Record. It's the longest three-rope cable car in the world with 6.3 kilometers, and it climbs up 1,410 meters
Wow.
in a short period of time.
Wow.
So Evie, how it feels to being on top of Vietnamese biggest and tallest mountain?
It feels awesome.
Definitely makes us feel a bit small when we are here on the tallest point of Vietnam, right? Evie again trying to find the best spot for our Instagram and Facebook pictures. So definitely subscribe her channel. Small travel tip: if you wanna go up Fansipan Mountain, be one of the first. But now you see, wow, big crowdy. We went up here at 8 and we had an amazing time. It was definitely a splendid experience here. One of the most impressive things I have done in my life. Fansipan Mountain, amazing. If you like what you see here, so please subscribe to our channel. It would definitely help us grow, and like that video because I'm sure it's an amazing video.
And we would be very thankful if you can support us. If you want to support us, you can buy us a coffee.
Now we finished with the legendary Fansipan Mountain, so we go to the next place. Come on, follow us. We are now in Katkat village, home of an ethnic group here in Sapa. What ethnic group?
It's Hmong.
Really nice. We will now going to explore that city for you. So come on and follow us. We're now going to enter a traditional Hmong house. So it will be really interesting. Follow me.
The whole village is very beautiful, but this is definitely the must-visit spot. Wait, what? Am I in the Squid Games? So now, which glassware will fall? The left or the right? Okay. Yay!
Oh! So better don't look down, hey. How are you feeling?
Squid Games! I hope this is final stage.
We're now finished with our first action part of today, the shaking cloudy bridge. For me it was already 10 out of 10, so I was a bit scared walking over that bridge. For you?
Scared, but you only have one choice. Keep walking because there's no way back.
And now we go to our second. Stay curious, will be a really good one too. Now we're on the second action part of today. We're driving a bicycle through a valley. Hello! Speed race! Finished with our second action part of today. For me it was like 8 out of 10. It was more fun, but less excitement, right?
For me, it's 9 out of 10.
Okay. And if you look down here, here's our third station. Now the third and maybe most exciting part, a big swing. Are you excited?
Really excited.
Let's go! Let's go! That was definitely a great experience. We had the action, we had fun, we had excitement. What do you like the most?
I love the dash win. After that dash win, it was 10 out of 10.
Now we go to the city. Come on and follow us.
Now, come with us. We will go explore the city or the colorful markets or the coffee shop. And it's the coolest mountain energy you can imagine.
Really nice mountain vibes up here. It feels like being in a winter wonderland but without snow.
There's no snow, but it's really cold. I'm freezing.
Even if there's now the national holiday of Vietnam and Sapa is really crowded, we found a really peaceful place here in Sapa. In that peaceful place we want to end that video. Evie, what was your favorite part?
Ooh, it's really hard for me to say. Maybe the Fansipan, because it's like the roof of Indochina.
Yes, that was really epic up there. I too like the glass bridge. I had a really heartbeat and it was really nice. If you liked that video and all things we have done for you, please leave us a like. If you haven't subscribed our channel till now, click the subscribe button and subscribe. You will not miss the next video. If you want to support us directly, you can buy us a small cup of coffee. And be curious, we soon go to our next destination, a really good one. I am so excited. It's Ninh Bình. Yay! See you there. Bye bye.